What's going on, y'all? Hope y'all had a great Memorial Day weekend. This video is a little late. This was recorded on Saturday on Memorial Day weekend 2025. And what you're watching here is my buddy down from Ohio. He come down here to Willard Raceway here in Grayson, Kentucky, and he always lets me know when he comes down. Put my GoPro on his car here, so this here's the footage we got going on. This right here's the the time lapse, I think they call it. So we'll watch that here. Now sadly the what they call them, the heat laps, the laps they do the second time, I didn't get those. Something, I don't know, I forgot to turn the GoPro on, I guess. But we did get the feature. I know that's the main one y'all want to see. I don't know how to keep those cars on the track looking right in the sun like that. That's hard to even watch, let alone trying to drive. Now you see right up there, though, you can barely make him out. That's a purple number 7 car. This is his very first race, very first time ever on the track. He just got that car. He came down with my buddy right here. Here he is. He's got a little message for you.
What's up, boy? It's Robert checking in. Well, it's gonna be a hard heat race, man. See if we can do it.
So he came first in his heat, and so now he's starting out third here in the feature. Now his dad also came down. His dad started out in 10th place here in the feature. And then our rookie, he started out in, I think it was 13 or 14. I forget exactly which one now. Like I said, it's been a couple days ago. Getting everybody all lined up here. Got a nice slow lap here going on real quick. Then we'll get into doing some racing. Sorry, I had a little stutter there. One more lap. Let those guys that just get on the track get caught up. My goodness, it's crazy how close they get, isn't it? I don't know if they actually touched there or not. And here we go, we're off. It's 15 laps here. I thought 79 there was going to cause a wreck when I was watching that. Buddy trying his best to find any open window. We get around 51 here. 51 ain't making it very easy. Now these are the 4-cylinder classes. I didn't mention that earlier. Now sadly, if you look there towards the middle of the track there, you'll see 3 cars sitting over there. That furthest car away from us, it's really hard to see him. That's my buddy's dad. What happened, there's one car turned into the curve there and cut another guy off, and old dad didn't have nowhere else to go, and so he rear-ended him. Sadly, I'm not sure what all happened to the guy that he hit. I do know the guy that he hit was 13 years old, and he actually came over to the trailer afterwards and apologized for getting in his way. And then Said my buddy's dad here is he messed the bumper up, messed the hood up, missed the crossbar there right after the plastic bumper right in front of the motor up, busted the radiator, and put a crack in the block. You see that cone right there? I'm not sure what's up with that. If you know what's up with that, let me know down in the comments, because I ain't got a clue. And I don't know if you noticed that edit back there. It took them forever to get that guy hooked up to that tow truck. I don't know what the deal was. I didn't feel like watching these guys go around and around real slow. We want to see them go fast. So I think we got one more lap here going slow, and then we're going to get right back into it. I said, there's that daggone cone again. I don't know what that's going on there for. They done it on all the races, on all the classes that I seen. I didn't watch a whole lot of them. I was down in the pits with my friend here. If you want to see more videos like this, more dirt tracks, let me know and I'll go follow this fella around on the weekends. I don't mind. And here we go, we are off. That's a little delayed there. Getting back in the groove here, back to flying our way around this here track. Trying to catch that dang 51 again. And again, he ain't making it easy to go around. This is when we think we get close, he pulls away from us. I don't know if he's toying with us or what the deal is. Old rascal. And a fella in front of us there, if I ain't mistaken, that's the guy we talked to earlier. Now he said he's coming first or second place in all of his races this season. Now, that's pretty impressive. That's pretty good. I don't know what he's done to that old car, but he's done something right. Yeah, all but one race. One race he, I don't know what place he came in. Doing good, everything looking good. We're starting to lap the guys in the last place here. Couldn't imagine the feeling of passing these guys. I bet that's sketchy. You're trying to fly them down through there. They're not necessarily going as fast as you are, obviously. Don't know if they're new or just get that car and they're still putting money into it or what the deal is. Made it around them with no collisions or anything, so that's the main deal right there. Gaining on him, think we can pass him? Nah, he's getting away again. Daggone, get back here, you little rascal. Sound like a bunch of angry bees out there, don't they? Is it that same red car? I think it is. We lapped him twice. He must not have something going on right. I don't know what the deal was. I didn't find him. I wasn't able to go ask him what was up. Now, if you look on front of us there, right underneath that yellow light, you'll see Mr. Rook facing the wrong way. Now, what happened was that they threw a caution out. He was watching that guy in front of him real close, and so once that guy started slowing down, he realized caution was out. He slammed on his brakes. His front driver tire grabbed and spun him around. But other than that, he actually had a very good race. That was his only mishap. And he was able to go from 13th to 10. So he done really good. Now here, I don't know what the deal is with that red car, but they ended up pushing him off the track here with a four-wheeler. But I cut that out. Let's get back to racing. Here we go. love tap, letting them know we're back here. Make sure you don't forget about us. And these are like the final few laps right here. Think we're gonna stay like this? You think something's gonna happen? Trying to get him, come on. Uh-oh. Now if you notice, my buddy's been going on the inside of that turn. That last turn he had to go on the outside because 75 came up and gave him a little love tap. You watch here, he gives old 51 there a love tap too. Kinda like that, that's how he passed my buddy. Across the finish line right there, old buddy gave him a nice little love tap right back. Because of all that, he actually ended up knocking that guy that was in first place all the way back down to fourth because of that little maneuver. This is the conversation between my buddy and 51.
That's bullshit. Huh? Yeah, he slammed me.
As you can hear them, these guys ain't too happy. They knew it was going to be a tight race, but they're out having a good time trying to play fair. And 57 up came up there, was like, not today, buds. Rubbers racing and pushing him out of his way. But I hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, if you want to see more of these, let me know down in the comments. And I'll see y'all next time.